This is a project that Dylan and I put together. It's a Christmas tree that blinks
in Morse code.
All right. This is an Arduino little computer. We programmed it to send Morse code via this LED. When we plug it into the 9-volt battery source here, you can see dash, dash, that's M, dot for E. Okay. And we're going to take this and we're going to put it into the snap circuit photosensitive switch. This is the photosensitive switch right here. And what that will do, when you turn it on with this switch here, is fire a relay. You can see a little spark going in there. This is an electromagnetic switch, which switches on and off and closes and opens this contact over here. And what we attached here are the wires to a string of Christmas trees. Notice that green LED fires inverse to the lights. When the green LED is on, the lights are off. And when the LED is off, the lights are on. And this was a brilliant solution that Dylan came up with. What was the problem we were trying to solve?
That if that was on, that was off, and so the Morse code was in dark and not in light.
Now the relay is set to a normally on position so that the Christmas tree lights are normally on when this switch is off and the Arduino's off to save batteries. And that was another problem that was solved by Dylan's solution, because by changing the program so that it was turning off the LED for a dot and turning off the LED for the dash, it meant we could leave the tree connected to the always on poles of the relay, and that way when the switch isn't being used, the Christmas tree is on rather than off. And generally, I tend to find that a Christmas tree is better on than off, don't you?
Yes.
That's our general opinion. So that's our project. Hope you like it.